Hello folks, it's me again, the Dynamic Prismatic Retro Tech Abstract Tactile Enhanced Decoupage Collage Guild of Enhanced Collage Maitre D, Amanda. I today just wanted to go over my base shades that I do. I've already showed you the every color, which is every color all at once, not rainbow. And these are based on the boxes that I have, that I collect the colors. Here's an example. So this is just pink. I did have a few, like, just to decorate, you know, but overall it's just pink. Red. It is a hue. I'm a human, a woman, and a Wu-Tang. Red. Nice. We also collect orange. Where'd it go? It don't matter because I have the orange right here. Oh, here's orange. Yeah, I don't prep. There you go. Orange. And a little friend there. This is against guild policy. It is religious or iconic in nature. However, I decided to say F you to the guild that day, so forgive me. Never. Orange. It is a challenge sometimes to pay homage to the demons. Alors, after orange, we skip yellow because yellow can go to hello. And we go to the light. It's the blue-green. No, green. Green comes first. Green's on the wall. I'm gonna take the camera. Oh, damn it. I'm not gonna take the camera. Sorry, we'll cut this out. This is my green base. Egypt, cool. Statue, yes. Rock forever, mo. Rock a lot and talk a ton. A chatterbox rapper smashing rhymes for fun. And the blue, bluish green. Teal, turquoise, blue-green, call it what you want to call it, but in my world, it is just that what I see with my eyes, and I pick it. Here's one that has a distinguished factor, so, and this is the blue. Statues are from a museum in Germany, I think, but my friend Amanda gave me that magazine. The guy, rather. Oh man, there's a glare. See, it's in a frame. It's already framed. It's just blue. So those are the examples of that, but the final position, which we explored. Oh, the perps. Purple posse. Purple. Do you see the boy on the gold? What if I can bag it? Twinks! I mean, I love it! I love him! Whoever he may be. Thanks so much for joining. Please don't cancel me. I'll edit that out.